Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you an easy and legal way to get free diamonds in ChillChat. First, open the app and go to your profile section. Then tap on My Task. Here, you will see different rewards options. So tap on Diamonds to view the available offers. I am going to use this offer here. When I tap on Play and Gain, it says I can get free diamonds by downloading and signing up to Game Gala. Now I will tap Go, choose my browser and it will open the Play Store. After that, just install the app and sign up with Google. Once you finish, close the app and open ChillChat again. Then go back to your profile, tap My Tasks, then open the Diamond section. Now head to My Offers and you should see the options to claim your diamonds. I am going to claim mine. Also, you can earn free diamonds here by watching ads. So make sure to try that too. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.